Norgren's latest valve offering, the VR series of valve manifolds. What makes this new series so great? First, they're modular, 10 and 15 millimeter models with 24 possible solenoids, and flows up to a coefficient of 65 hundredths, offer a wide range of valve functionality in a compact footprint. Direct or DIN rail mounting makes it even easier to fit in any application space. Second, they're reliable. VR series valves boast longevity comparable to our other manifold valves, over 30 million cycles. In terms of connectivity, 25-pin multi-pole options, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, ProfiNet, and IO-Link options are available now. Maintenance is a snap with the VR series of valve manifolds, utilizing a 2-screw system, which makes for rapid replacement of any valve in any position. The VR series of valves are energy efficient. They utilize low-power solenoids with LED indicators that consume less power than comparable options in the market today. For more information, contact your local representative.